As Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup approaches its launch this September, many consumers face the perennial upgrade dilemma. Is it worth buying the latest model, or should they simply invest in refreshing their current device? Apple's 2025 lineup is rumored to usher in significant changes, including the introduction of the ultra-thin iPhone 17 Air, which replaces the Plus model, alongside the standard iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max. The new models promise design overhauls such as a slimmer frame, a new aluminum body on Pro versions, camera upgrades, and innovative features like reverse wireless charging. However, consumers should prepare for a notable price increase, potentially justified by these enhancements rather than trade tariffs, which remain a sensitive and controversial topic for Apple. For those who already own an iPhone, this year's advice might lean towards a more measured approach. Instead of rushing to buy a new model, consider alternatives that breathe life into older phones. A fresh battery, a repaired or replaced touchscreen, and software updates can improve performance and usability dramatically. This strategy can extend the lifetime of current iPhones well into the next couple of years, all while keeping extra cash in the pocket. The cost factor is a decisive one. Standard iPhone 17 prices are expected to start around $799, with the new Air model positioned slightly higher, and the Pro versions topping $1,200. This price hike reflects supply chain challenges, new manufacturing shifts toward India, and design innovation. Apple CEO Tim Cook emphasized recently that these measures are also about managing profits amid rising costs, including tariffs still partially impacting Chinese-made phones. Technically, the iPhone 17 and Pro versions are expected to feature upgraded OLED displays with promotion 120Hz refresh rates, improved battery life, enhanced cameras with 48MP sensors, and the latest A19 chipsets for faster processing. The Air model targets users looking for an ultralight experience, but compromises somewhat on battery capacity. For consumers contemplating an upgrade, the decision now hinges on weighing the value of cutting-edge hardware against the satisfactory performance of their existing device, especially if minor fixes are possible. Apple's new iOS 17 software update further enhances user experience even on older iPhones, with new call screen features, live voicemail, and FaceTime improvements. In summary, while the iPhone 17 series marks a noteworthy evolution in Apple's smartphone line, a cost-conscious approach with strategic repairs may be the wiser investment for many users this year. That's it for today's TechTide news. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech stories coming your way.